1, 2, 3. Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's ya empecé. Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could switch up your daytime look that you wear for work or your errands. You could switch it up for a nighttime look in case after work you have to go and meet up with your girls, with your friends, whatever it is. You could just switch up your makeup look so quick, so easy, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it with just 4 different products. So keep on watching. So since I already have my makeup done, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is darkening up the eyes, and I'm going to be using the same color as my contour shade. I'm going to be using that in my crease first so I can deepen it up without removing the shadow that I used this morning to do this eye look. So I'm only going to use the darker shade for my contour to go back into the crease and a little bit into the outer corner. So now I'm doing the same thing onto the other eye, obviously, so we can have both eyes matching. So now I'm going to be using a different brush, and that's going to be used again using the same dark contour color. I'm going to be applying it in the lash line. Actually, before I apply that, I'm going to add black eyeliner. That way when I smoke out the bottom lash line, I could blend it in with the black eyeliner. So first I'm going to do eyeliner again in my waterline, up and lower. So now that I have the black eyeliner in the bottom and top waterline, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the dark shade of my contour palette, and I'm going to add it into the bottom of my lash line and smoke it out with the black eyeliner together. And I'm not bringing in either the black eyeliner or the brown eyeshadow all the way into my eye. That way I don't close my eye more because I already have small eyes. So now I'm going to add some contour to my face so we can add a little more dimension to my face. And I'm going to be using the same contour color that I used for the eyes. I'm going to be using it now on my face. Since I already have some blush, I want to focus the contour on this part of my face only. I don't want to bring it all the way here because now I'm going to end up covering more of the blush. So just whatever you have left on your brush, you could drag it forward more just so you could blend it into the blush. But I'm not going to pick up extra product and add it. That way I don't cover up more of the blush. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. I'm only going to add some highlight onto the top of my cheekbones and the inner corner of my eyes. And if you don't have a small brush with you specifically for the inner corner, you could either use your pinky to apply it, or you could use the same brush that you use to smoke out the bottom lash line. Just make sure you wipe it clean to go in the inner corner. So you could either use your finger or that small brush just so you can get in those small areas. So now I'm going to pick up some highlight and apply it onto the top of my cheekbones. I'm only picking up a little bit and I'm just adding it onto the top of my cheekbones, and I'm going to do that on both sides. Now I'm going to show you how I would highlight the inner corners using that small brush, but I already wiped it to make sure I don't get any darkness in there. So now that I already highlighted and I highlighted the inner corners, I'm pretty happy with what this looks like. If you need to, you can just continue to add more of your darker contour color. You could continue to add it onto your lips until you feel like it's dark enough. Now I'm gonna switch up the lip color because I want to wear a bright red lip. I feel like it's nice, especially because it's a nighttime look. I feel like red just looks really, really nice. Oh, and another thing I actually forgot to do and show you guys is, since it's more of a stronger look, you could also contour your nose. And if you don't have the brush for that, you could just pick up some of your darker shade on your finger and then just get them together. That way both of your ring fingers can have some color on them, and you're just gonna bring them along the sides of your nose at the same time. That way you could contour your nose. You could use your other fingers to blend out the two lines because they are pretty harsh, so you don't want them to look that way. So now you just blend out with whatever fingers don't have the contour shades on them. So yeah, that's the little trick that you could do to contour your nose if you don't have all of your brushes with you. And now we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the lips, because that's the only thing we have left to do, so we could finish transforming our daytime look onto this nighttime look. And I'm not gonna be outlining my lips with any shade. I'm only gonna be wiping off my brush as much as I can, so I could use the very tip of it so I can outline my lip first and then fill it in, but with the same lipstick brush. So now I am completely done transforming my daytime look onto a nighttime. This is something that I would do that's completely easy, fast, and something that you more than likely have in your makeup bag. So it's something that you could easily achieve. And like I said, it's only using 4 different products, obviously working with the daytime makeup look that you previously had on. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you continue to watch my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and obviously turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload again. So thank you for sticking along, and I hope to see you in another one of my videos. Bye!